Hey everybody, this is Lisa from Pressure Crisp, and tonight we're going to be making some copycat burger fry fries. So I have over here about 2 russet potatoes that are on a sheet pan. I sliced them into french fries. I soaked them for at least 30 minutes in cold water. You want to rinse the water a couple times and then let them sit always in water or they'll turn brown on you. So you're just going to grab some of these fries, put them in a stainless steel bowl or whatever you have. Just enough that fits into the Tender Crisp basket. That's probably enough right there. So the only thing I'm going to add to these is some black pepper. And some olive oil. Oh. And just going to take your hand and you're just going to mix. So the potatoes get coated in the olive oil. Not sure if you can see that. There we go. And you're just going to dump them right into the Tender Crisp basket. So you're going to lower the lid. Turn your Ninja on. You're going to hit air crisp. We're going to bring them up to 400. And the time, I'm just going to start them at 20 minutes. We're going to check them probably like in 5 minutes and 10 minutes. And hit start. It's halfway through the cooking time, so we're just going to take a look at them. They're starting to brown up nicely. I want them a little darker, so we're going to cook them probably for another 5 minutes. Okay, we are done. Look at them. Let me give you a good look there. Awesome. So we're going to take them out. Try not to have to break them. Put them in a fry basket here. Alright. Oh, they smell good. Okay, so to dress these up, we're just going to add some black pepper. We're going to add some salt. We're just going to toss them a bit. There we go. Just gorgeous. A little bit more pepper. A little bit more salt. All right. What makes these so special to be burger fry is that we're going to take Parmesan cheese. You're just going to put that all over the fries. As much as you want or as little as you want. If you're a Parmesan cheese lover, you're going to add more. But that's just going to melt right onto those fries. There we go. I think that's good. Then you're going to take herbs. This is a little bit of parsley, rosemary, and thyme. You just want to sprinkle those on top. There you go. You got a good amount of that. And then also we made a roasted garlic aioli. So we're just gonna, I don't have a squirt bottle, so we're just gonna put a dollop of that right there on the side so you can dip your fries. That looks amazing. So now the taste test. Let's grab a fry with some Parmesan cheese on it. Fold it over. Dip it in the sauce and take a taste. Oh my God. It's better than burger fry, but these are really delicious. So please like and subscribe and stay tuned for some more videos.